garlic, spinach, split chickpea casserole, or Lasoon Dal Palak, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of spinach recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the palak recipes and one of the most unique of the Chana Dal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most different of the spinach recipes. We're going to make garlic, spinach, split chickpea casserole or Lasoon Dal Palak. We have taken around 100 grams of split chickpea, cleaned thoroughly. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. The next ingredients are around 100 grams of green spinach or palak, boiling the spinach, putting the palak or spinach into the grinder, close and grind well. After putting in around 25 ml of water and grind well. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Thoroughly. Saute. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Put in the ginger. Put in salt taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Put in a quarter spoon of mixture spices. Put in salt taste. Saute mix. Now put in the split chickpeas. thoroughly mix with the rest of the mixture. Pour in around 150 ml of water. Mix. And let this split chickpea cook for around 45 minutes. After cooking for the required time, pour in the ground spinach or palak. And thoroughly mix and let it cook for a further 5 minutes. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for a further 5 minutes. Pour in around 100 ml of water. Mix. Let the mixture cook for 5 more minutes. The garlic, split chickpea, spinach casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, spinach, split chickpea casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach recipes and one of the most delicious of the spinach casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea casserole recipes and one of the most different of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most unique of the casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.